Hey guys, Mr. Honor Rider 70 here. This next film is, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Leave in comments what it is. So you guys are gonna have to put up your volume and plug some headphones in. But it happened around August 2nd in Ontario, Canada, around 12:30. We were sitting by the campfire. We go there for a family fishing trip every year, and I heard this, so I went in go get my recorder, and I came back out and recorded it, and I got it. So you guys leave a comment and tell your friends about it, and tell them to leave a comment if you guys have any idea what it is, if you heard it before. So yeah, any guesses? But here it is. Check it out. Now, if you guys didn't hear that, I would turn up your volume more if it's not all the way up. Make sure your headphones are plugged in and listen closely. Um, but I can hear it, and I got my volume all the way up and headphones in. So if you can't hear it, go back, rewind it, and listen again.